Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. This is moving day. Moving cars around. And we got a beautiful new delivery in just now. Look at that, old Alto Ford Gordon. And it's a electric blue XY GT factory sunroof. Look at that. How beautiful is electric blue. One of the best colours, I reckon. There you go. That's just arrived. That'll be detailed up and then ready to go on the market. But very rare. Electric blue, black trim, factory manual, matching number car with the factory sunroof. Look at that. How nice is that? Woohoo! Baby, I love those sunroofs. Rare and very sought after option. And also we have this Monza Green saddle trim Phase 3 that's just come in. And I'm going to also show you from this video, we did a inspection by ICAARS today on this car, and we had Mark Barraclough down doing that inspection. So they do like a full report on the car, but that's a lovely Phase 3 GTHO. Very nice. Pleased to welcome Mark Barraclough, GT historian and manager of ICAARS, to our showroom. We're going to walk around this beautiful Monza Green Phase 3 that just come in for us to sell. And we're going to do a full ICAARS report.
ICAARS has been running for around about 4 years, and the panel experts are this kind of enthusiasts that are highly valued in their particular brand, as knowing everything, every nut and bolt about a XY Tirana or a Phase 2 GTHO or a HG Monaro. So we have the inspectors that go around and can go through the process, which essentially follows similar to a GT Nationals type scoring process, and take all the photographs that's required and have the ability to then pass them to the panel experts, who will then authenticate that the car is or isn't what people might think.
Got it up in the air now, and have a look at what's underneath this car that you look at, Mark.
So the first things we look at are like right in the radiator support and the radiator support panel itself, whether that's been replaced or changed with the correct 351 type. This one's got a big sump, but we've got the correct 351 engine cross member. We have a bit of a look at the engine casting date above the starter, just to make sure that's all kosher. Then look at the opening around the floor, see whether that's all where we're supposed to be. Things like XY type has the 2 bolts on the inside and the sway bar mounts on the inside. So
and yeah, we also got a VK Brock Director in the colour is called Cedar. Automatic HDT Brock Director in a VK. We've also got this lovely Celica, 1984 Celica, 2 litre, 5-speed manual. Just an incredible original car. Have a look at this thing. Magic interior and everything, and look at that. It's done 89,000 kilometres. That's it. 5-speed manual Celica. It's a really good, all original too. It's just mind-boggling how good condition that's in. Okay, thank you very much for watching Australian Muscle Car TV.